to today's vlog. Today's really exciting because there's a couple of home updates, such as like building a cabinet, setting up some lights. I feel like this vlog is going to be a span of a couple of days just to get the place all set up. I also feel like it makes the most sense for me to make the place homey. I'm home most of the time, so why not invest more time into my home space? But yeah, really excited. It's just really humid today, so it's gonna be hot. I ordered some furniture pieces for the living room and the bedroom. First thing I got is this clear scone fixture in a silver chrome color. Replace the current ones on the wall. It'd be so nice because it's gonna match the lamp that I got from IKEA. I got 2 of those, but for now I'm gonna unbox the cabinet that I bought. Had to take a break because I realized I need to drill for this cabinet. So this is how it looks like right now. Better resume in 3 days. Got the drill. 1 day later. Time to get this cabinet fixed up.
You want to try one?
No.
She has to learn. Hold on, please move your finger. There, press harder. Oh. Press down a little bit. Julie's always bothering me when I'm working.
Alright, so that cabinet that we just built is going in the bedroom. I've been talking about this for probably about 2 years, and it's going right here. All this stuff is going to go in that cabinet, and I just have to organize everything else. Might have to end up throwing this out, but for now it's staying. I've been wanting more storage for this bedroom because this is not enough. But yeah, alright, let's get cleaning. What I really wanted this cabinet is to put like tote bags, handbags, hats in there. So I'm gonna do that. Done with the bathroom 2 hours later. I definitely fucked up my hand. I'm getting these random scratches and using a lot of chemicals and alcohol. I was just having a hard time removing the adhesive from the shower caddy or the shower shelf. It's so annoying. If I would have known, I wouldn't have ordered another sticky one. Had to get away. Making bosom tonight for dinner. Look at it. It tastes so good. I've wanted this lamp for the longest time. I set it up today. Look at him putting in work.
That sounds like coming apart. Later on today.
some night. This is the entryway. This is our current shoe rack. Time to build a new shoe storage. Alright, last piece. All done. Now I'm gonna clean all the shoes, Swiffer, and then put this baby over here. The shoe shelf is all set up. The only thing I have to do now is put all the shoes in here. But I realized I don't have any more of the shelf liners, so I'm gonna have to order some on Amazon ASAP because I want this place to be clean, all tidy. I ordered the shelf liners. They're coming tomorrow. So in the meantime, I'm just going to use like styrofoam and this cloth to put all the shoes away because the shoes can't be chilling here. Here how it looks like right now. As a temporary fix, I just put some used paper and a styrofoam in here, but love it. Another thing I'm really happy about, finally removed all the shoes here and threw them into the closet. This way I can throw all these boxes out. These boxes were taking up so much space in our main closet. I'm glad we have a designated spot for shoes. That's it for today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow when I get the liners and when I tidy up a little bit more because I'm pooped today.
Yeah. Would it be cool to say?
Remember that stain over here? I was able to remove it with just some water on a napkin, and then there was some random scuff marks I was able to remove as well. Perfect. Our keys go in here. Changed my clothes because I was sweaty, but the shoe cabinet is all clean and tucked away. It's so nice. I still have to decide on the decor up top. So I can't decide if I want this plant here or this plant in the middle. But I do like these two girlies out here. I think it's kind of cute. And this is it. And then if you open it, it's really organized right now. I don't know if it's gonna stay this way, but to put more shoes in here, I did one the right way and then one the opposite way, and then the same for the rest of the shoes. This is just more homey. Time to set up my plant stand. This one should be fairly easy because there's not too many parts. Ta-da! This took less than 10 minutes to build, and wait, it's pretty sturdy. Ta-da! How cute. I still have one more slot left, but for now I'm gonna leave it just like this. At least I have a dedicated spot for it now. It's been a few days later. The light bulbs finally came in for the wall fixture. I got the cool light one, so it's brighter in here. These are the E12 light bulbs. Let's see. Oh my god, it's too big.
Are you kidding me?
So these are the bright light bulbs, but it doesn't fit into the sphere. So I have to get a different one. Dang it. It's been a few days later. I had a couple nights to enjoy my home space and I'm loving it. It's more homey, a little bit more personable. I'm just missing some wall art, but I'll get to that eventually. It's been really fun decorating the place and just keeping this place consistently clean. Really important for my mental health to have this place just clean and staying that way. Like I said in my last vlog, I want to be able to enjoy everything. So a great way for me to enjoy my home space, since I'm home like 60% of the time, is to have pieces that I like and making sure that everything's neat. It's gonna be really nice to bring this like new energy and have this new home space for when I start working. I'm going to have 2 more unemployed vlogs, and that's gonna conclude this era. It's really rewarding kind of looking back at how I started and where I ended up now, and I can't wait to continue bringing you guys along. And thank you for watching all my vlogs. It's been really nice and really rewarding for me to just document this journey, but I'm always excited for what's to come. But anyway, don't want to speak too long. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Night.